The matrix calculator handles 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrix operations for determinants, inverses, addition, and multiplication. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your matrix size from the drop-down menu, which offers 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix options. For this demonstration, I'm using the 2 by 2 matrix setting. Next, choose your operation from the drop-down, which includes determinant, inverse, addition A plus B, and multiplication A times B. I've selected determinant for this example. Now enter your matrix values in the input fields. For a 2 by 2 matrix, you'll see 4 fields labeled A11, A12, A21, and A22, representing each element's position in the matrix. Once you click Calculate, the results appear in the Output section. For a determinant calculation, you'll get a single scalar value that represents the determinant of your matrix. This value is crucial for determining whether a matrix is invertible and for solving systems of linear equations. If you had selected inverse, you'd see a new matrix with 4 elements. For addition or multiplication operations, you'd need to input a second matrix B and would receive the resulting matrix elements. Find the link in the description below.